Hello, my name is Ewan Beckett, and in this video I'm going to be giving a brief description and overview of my interactive installation patch for Interactive Systems 3. To summarise, my patch allows a user to control how much of an image is seen based on their movements. Also, through the use of a Leap Motion controller, the user can control the image or video that is being revealed. This first image shows the main patch. I'm using jit.scissors and jit.glue to split up and then join together again video matrices. This design could be described as modular due to the way that the video is split up, processed and then combined together again. In the bottom right you can see each segment being processed individually. At the top left you can see the initialization sequence for the patch. This starts the appropriate macros, opens jit.grab and populates a list of options for camera inputs. On the right hand side there are several jit.pwindow objects. These are included in presentation view and are used for setup and debugging. This second image shows added functionality in a separate patch. I'm using send and receives to get mainly video data between patches. The Leap Motion object takes information from the hardware Leap Motion controller and translates it into all kinds of data that you can use in Max. I'm using the gesture part of the object and I'm taking that data, parsing it and getting a bang for either a left to right swipe or a right to left swipe. This is how the user switches between available media to be revealed. And on the right hand side is the U menu with the list of options for the kinds of media, and below that is the decision making and information routing necessary for switching between stored video and images as well as live video. The most noteworthy thing in this patch would be my use of the JavaScript object for decision making. This third image shows the modular video processing patch, which is used to process each segment individually. There are as many of these sub-patches in the main patch as there are segments that the video is split up into. This patch also uses inlets and receives to allow parameters to be adjusted after the fact to compensate for different lighting conditions. This last image shows the main patch in presentation view. This has been designed to aid someone setting up the patch in an installation environment. It gives them options for camera input, multiple sliders for adjusting parameters to compensate for different lighting conditions, and also to affect the characteristics of the segments revealing images. There are also jit.pwindows on the right hand side. These are used for the setup and debugging of the system. In the following videos I'm going to demonstrate the system using a screen and projector. The webcam is sitting on top of the laptop screen and the Leap Motion controller is sitting on the table in front of me. So walking back and forth simulates how someone new to the system might first interact with it. You'll notice the first thing that they reveal is a short demo video showing the optimal way to swipe above the Leap Motion controller, as it is quite specific with what it interprets as a swipe. In this second video I've switched some of the lights in the room off. I thought this would be a better experience with the projector being the main source of light. There are some concerns with the type of motion detection used combined with these lighting conditions. That's why there are included adjustment parameters when setting up the system. Thanks for watching.